Since the U.S. Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade earlier this year, 13 states have already restricted abortions, while bans or other restrictions in 14 other states are being held up in the courts.
Here in Maine, Governor Janet Mills says as long as she's governor, there will be no laws passed that take away a woman's control or autonomy over her own body. Which brings us to our next story about how a brewery in Orono is helping a local women's health care provider get its message out and accomplish its mission. Here's News Center Maine's Caroline LaCour.
Can you create change with a beer? Orono Brewing Company has found a way to do it with its collaboration with the Mabel Wadsworth Center in Bangor.
We really believe in what they're doing and felt like it was important to support them both with a beer and financially.
The center has been providing sexual and reproductive health care since 1984 and claims to be the only such not-for-profit organization in Maine. Orono Brewing's recent brew, Autonomy IPA, it aims to both support the center and spread the message that prioritizing personal freedom and health care is a must.
Reproductive health care is just health care for people. I mean, that's the bottom line for me.
Orono Brewing Company says they plan to donate a total of $3,000 to the center after all 75 remaining cases are sold. Aspen Rulin is with the center, and they say the money raised is important for ensuring the center can continue to give unhindered care, as it refuses to use federal funds that come with restrictions.
We don't have to worry about having the rug pulled out from under us, or having restrictions put on the care that we can provide folks. But it does mean we have to get more creative.
Although the state of Maine is legally protected against issues for autonomy, Rulin says there still is work to be done.
But we have folks who have to travel 4 hours one way just to get care with us. So we still have issues of access, even though we have some legal protections.
A healthcare provider and a beer company pushing for autonomy one can at a time. In Orono, Caroline LaCour, News Center, Maine.
The Autonomy IPA is still available at Orono Brewing Company's Maine location and in local beverage stores throughout the state.